Okay, let's get my face on. So we're going to go on with the mattifying primer. This is going to help to prepare my skin and stop my foundation from sitting in my fine lines and wrinkles, and reduce my pore sizes down as well. Then we're going to go on with the cream foundation. Now this is our new cream foundation. If you've used a cream foundation before and found it to be cakey or heavy, then you really need to try our cream foundation. It is so light, it is so buildable, the coverage is insane, and for mature skin like myself, it's not going to sit in your fine lines and look like a desert. So if you need a shade match, just let us know. And as you can see, I'm stippling it on. You don't need a lot of this either. You just need a tiny bit on your kabuki brush, and then start from the cheeks and work outwards. Amazing. Now we're going to put on my brows. I love this brow eyeliner. I can't even get my words out. Brow eyeliner with the spoolie on the end. So just filling in the places where my brows seem to disappear. They are there, but they're just so fair and you can't see them. So if you would like to grab a brow liner, then let us know. It comes, I think we've only got it in blonde now, or might have 3 shades, I'm not sure, I have to check the website. Then I'm going to use my bronzer. This is in my last chance deals. It is on a saving. I can also do your bundle, guys. So if you want a bundle to save 10, 15 or even 20%, let us know by commenting on this video, and I can get into your inbox and we can talk about that. But yeah, I'm just doing a bit of contouring with my bronzer because our foundation has such a lovely coverage, but it just makes me one dimension, and I want to add a little bit more dimension to my face. Try and make myself look a little bit thinner in the face. Next, I'm going to use the Polly Pocket. No, not the Polly Pocket. The Pocket Palette. You can also get this free on my website if you spend over a certain amount this month in July. So if you want to know more about that, let us know. So I'm just using a little bit of the blusher. And then I'm going on with a liquid eyeshadow. I think it was Giggle, which is a cream liquid eyeshadow, not cream, a liquid eyeshadow that blends out to a matte finish. It is waterproof, smudge proof, stays all day, doesn't fall into your fine lines on your eyelids as well. So great for mature eyelids as well. And as you can see, so quick and easy to apply. And I just like to use my my fluffy brush just to blend it out, just to give a little bit of, makes it look like two dimension. Then I'm going to use on the Pocket Palette, I'm going to use the lip balm, using my little lip brush, just to give my lips a little bit of a colour, but it also is going to help to keep them nice and smooth as well. And then finally, I'm going to go on with the Quadra. Now, Quadra is the 4-in-1 lash product that has got serum, primer, tubing and star-shaped fibres. It's totally buildable. The more you use it, the more your lashes are going to grow. It is a vegan-friendly product. It's also patent pending by Younique. So you can't get it anywhere else other than by a Younique brand affiliate or a brand ambassador from the website. And I absolutely love it. As you can see, I don't have the longest of lashes, but when I put Quadra on, my lashes are actually double in length because it just builds them up and makes them amazing. So if you want to try our Quadra, everything comes with a Love It guarantee, guys. Everything is covered by our Love It guarantee, so you can try it for 14 days and have a full refund. You've got a part refund and a credit refund. And the best thing of all is 10% of every product sold goes to Supriya to help survivors of CSA, which is very, very close to my heart as well. So if you want to know any more about the product, or you want help to have a personalised shopping cart that's going to save you some money, then drop us a message and I'll get to you. So thanks for watching. Bye.